Hi everyone, this is Munye Scripts, straight out a Gary Films production. And basically, Munye Scripts is an animator, a graphics designer, a video and movie director. So if at all you are out there and you would want to have your video, your moments covered like weddings, please consider calling me on my phone number, that is a plus 25670 17, then another 0 777 9. Basically, if at all you want to learn a lot of stuff, you can consider visiting my YouTube channel, whereby it is called Munye Scripts Lifestyle, where you are going to be able to learn a lot of stuff from graphics to tour around my country, because I completely and truly love my country, and I'm always sharing some of the moments, some of the captions that I happen to have when basically I'm shooting my music videos, when I'm shooting my movies, when I'm shooting everything that I happen to work on. So please consider visiting me on my YouTube channel, that is Munye Scripts Lifestyle, where I expect you to learn graphics, video editing, some tips on how to use the drone, because I'm always sharing some of the drone shots that I happen to make in the field, some of the captive moments that I happen to like make in the field. So feel free to go and subscribe. Please remember to subscribe, like and comment, because with your comment I get to understand what you would want to learn, what you would like to learn, and what more information would you want me to share on that YouTube channel of mine. So consider subscribing and being consider subscribing. When you click on that subscription button, subscribe and go on that bell button and click on it. Then after clicking on it, you choose all. Okay, you choose all. In case I happen to share anything or make a video or behind scenes of a certain music video I have shot, or movie, or any project that I have worked on, you get to like know and you get to see. Okay, so please, let's be one, let's share love. And if at all you are interested in that program, basically where I teach graphics, where I share some of the tips on how to use different machines, some of the tips on how to design music stuff, please. And another thing I had forgotten, I also do marketing for artists, basically that is digital marketing, and I can help you make sure that you see your songs in rotation on different TV stations here in Uganda. So consider subscribing to my channel, and we can also communicate through the email. That is Gary Films Production, no, Gary Films Muziki at gmail.com, or we can also communicate through Nyenje Isaac 95 at gmail.com. So if at all you have any project you would want me to market for you, consider doing that or calling me on my phone number. You can even visit the description section you can visit that description section on this video. I'll be sharing my contacts. I may be sharing my website, because right now I'm constructing a website that is to be shared, where we can share different information, and I'll be sharing more about that website. But for now, you visit that description section on this video. I'm going to be basically sharing my contacts and the different emails whereby you can contact me directly. Let me share the numbers, the phone numbers, whereby if at all you are outside Uganda and you would want me to market your music here in Uganda, you will be changing that beginning 0 to a plus 256, because our code for this country is 256. That will be let me first give it to you and you get to know it. It is a 070 17 0 779. So if at all you are abroad or outside Uganda, it would be a plus 256 701 70, then a 777 and a 9 basically. So please members, consider being part of my YouTube channel, consider being part of my work, consider learning new stuff and meeting different artists that I happen to work with or that I happen to feature with on a certain project. So please, and consider like subscribing, because if you don't subscribe, you'll happen to miss a lot of stuff on that channel of mine. So we are basically sharing a lot of information that would benefit us as musicians, and it will also benefit us as artists and designers basically, because you'll be learning on some tips on how to design, how to come up with different concepts when designing, or even sharing some of the like contexts that you should consider as you market your music or as you meet different promoters to like promote your stuff, basically movies. And if at all you're out there and you have a movie that you would want me to direct, I'm here. Consider calling me, consider sharing with me. You share me your script, then I give you maybe some advice. You may not give me that job directly that I'm going to shoot, but I can give you some advice on what to make sure you have and how to make sure that you do that thing. So my name is Munye Scripts, straight out Agawe Films Production. I'm an animator, I'm a graphics designer, I'm a video director, both movies and music over songs. Okay, so let's work as a team. Contact me, then have your moments covered, have everything shot the right way. With Munye Scripts, you're working with a professional, you're working with someone with that unique touch that you've been waiting for. So be part, let's work together.